Here are the winners and losers from the stock market's first quarter of 2019. The first quarter has been a banner period for Wall Street. The S&P 500 is up more than 12% this quarter and is on pace to notch its best start to a year since 1998. The broad indexes accompanying the S&P 500 in its ride high to start off 2019 are the Dow Jones Industrial Average, Nasdaq Composite and the Russell 2000, which tracks small-cap stocks. The 30 stock leading the way higher for U.S. stocks this quarter was the tech sector, which is up nearly 20% in the period. Tech giants Apple. Other top-performing sectors include real estate, energy, and industrials. Real estate got up. Related video Q2 will be tougher than Q1, says market strategist. Not every sector performed as well, however. Healthcare and finance. At the individual stock level, cosmetics giant Tecate and fast casual restaurant chain Chipotle Mexican Grill are the best performers, followed by Xerox, Hess, and Xilinx. Kraft Heinz. Global stocks also performed well this quarter, with Irish shares surging more than 26%, more than doubling the S&P 500's performance year to date. Stocks in Greece. Stocks weren't the only assets to do well in the first quarter, however. Lean hog futures surged around 50% this quarter, while gasoline and U.S. crude oil futures are both up more than 25%. Coffee, wheat, UPNC's Gina Francala, Chris Hayes, and John Shern contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.